Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we are moving to the release of Windows 11 22H2, technically on September the 20th, apparently, one of the things that many of you have asked is, did they address and fix everything that people complained about in Windows 11? The simple answer to this is absolutely not. It really seems that Microsoft is totally deaf on user complaints and what features they want and things that they might want back or not. It's crazy because when you think about it, we're going to get on September 20th a version that has a few features in it, but a version that pretty much does not in any way address what people have been asking for since the beginning. And even some of the features that people were excited that are coming, like Tab File Explorer, is not even in 22H2. It's going to come later in a moment. So it is sad to see that Microsoft really ain't listening. So you'll not be able to move the taskbar. And even though you can somehow play with the, start menu, whatever you choose, it's still not and does not offer what anyone is actually asked for. Even the app list, if you go into the app list, once you go out and you go back, will return to its icon and the way that they're showing you about it. It's incredible how you got a year since the release of the original one, and that for some reason you did so little to it. And it tells me that, I don't know, there's kind of a lack of seriousness in Windows 11 or something. Is it because now that they've decided that Windows 12 might be something eventually, let's not do too much in Windows 11? And honestly, one of the things that, of course, there's a lot of complaints. They could have simply said, you know what, that minimum requirement, we're going to relax the rules a little bit. Of course, we knew it would never happen, and it's not going to happen in the future either. But still, it makes me wonder why do we use the feedback hub, and why do we send our comments if it doesn't seem like anybody's listening? They even have, and this is even worse, they even have the phrases from time to time saying, oh, we've added this by popular demand from users. Nobody asked for some of the stuff that they actually have added in here. And they make it sound like everybody wanted this, so here it is. Come on. If you really work into the everybody wants a feature, you would have addressed a lot of stuff that people are a little fed up in Windows 11. I find Windows 11 nice and all, and it was refreshing in the beginning, but it's obviously something that even after a year, when people say, well, it's kind of unfinished, well, still, a year later at 22H2, or what I'd like to call Windows 11 2.0, I'll still feel unfinished. So, I don't know, but Microsoft better have great moments in 2023, because there's lots of things that are missing and that need to be there. Lots of things that they talked about also at the release that are half there or not even there at all. I don't know. What feature do you guys want to see in Windows 11? Just out of curiosity. I'm going to look at the comments on that. That's missing. And, of course, I know. Moving the taskbar, apparently not a thing. Apparently not what people are asking, really. Yeah, people are asking it. There are people that like to have the taskbar in a different part of their screen for purpose of, the way that they work, the way they want to do work or stuff. It's that difficult to have a taskbar move around the screen? Come on. And at the same time, they're tweaking things that nobody's asking to tweak or change. So it's a big problem, and it's a lack of really taking the user seriously, in my opinion. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.